GoPro underwater. Oh snap, look at this 7.3 power stroke out here running routes. OBS Ford for the win, my boys. Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Send It Steve. We've actually got one more Jeep up here, but I couldn't stop, or I had to stop right now, get a quick little picture, start my intro here. But we are out here at Rausch Creek. We've got my buddy Scott. We've got Arctic JK, I believe it is, or JU. We got an FJ, and then we've got McJeepin back here. So we're out here. We're gonna have some fun wheeling, see what this thing can do, and let's just have fun and try not to roll this thing over. I always got to keep in mind that I don't want to actually, or that I actually have to drive this thing home, which I always forget. Wow, they're really jamming in there. So I always forget that I got to drive this home. Today we're gonna do what we can and keep it on all four wheels. Let's go have some fun.
Works good.
I missed this. Well, there was one spring missing, but I was had it apart, so I was like, I'll put it in and see the holes.
It's not working.
Obviously. You gotta edit all this out still here.
I did it.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm getting out. I don't want to fly it. No.
Ready?
All right, guys. No. What are you doing? Where are you going?
Straight out that way. Hopefully it's not up to my phone.
All right, guys. So this is why you don't go wheeling alone.
No.
I hit this hole with a little bit of speed. Everybody did say don't go, but everybody knows me and should have known that when everybody says don't go, that I'm going. So I kind of went in this hole, and you guys can call me an idiot. You guys can call me a moron right now if you want. It's fine.
We called him worse.
Danny, I should do it. You stay here. I'll get wet.
I'm already soaked.
No, this is my problem.
Yep. All right, ready?
No. Turn the headlights off. We're gonna kill our battery because
I'm going as far as I can.
Well, get up here and launch himself, bro. Get a running
start. Run straight over the freaking roof.
Slip and fall and fall right in front of the
Bro, I'm about to just go do it.
Ready?
No,
I gotta
I'm
pee.
scared. Oh my god. Woo, oh my god.
Oh, that's not as bad as I thought it was. Yeah. Danny was so prepared to be screwed, and he went in and it barely covered his toes. All right, we're gonna winch out of here real quick. Stand by.
Can YouTube video?
Put it in neutral. This is why a winch is super important when you do dumb stuff. I just hope we don't run out of battery. Try to start it again real quick, actually. All right, just wait. Let me at least get us a dry land.
I hope this thing doesn't fly off that tree.
I don't know what else to do. This is all we got. Nah, I need the battery. Just wait. Yeah. You mad, bro? This is why you don't yell to me. Don't do it. Yeah, you got a phone?
Let me see my phone. Please. Thank you.
The water's just running out of the truck. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbnail, Danny. Unbelievable, guys. I made a mistake. But I'm still having fun. If the sun didn't set yet, and there's a high chance we can get this thing running. I have brake clean in the back.
Are you talking to yourself?
Yes.
Are you like pumping yourself up?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Open the back doors.
Great.
Yeah, open the back door so we can dry out. I think we got this. Huge shout out again, guys, to Rough Country down in the description below. Coming in clutch, obviously, as you can tell at this point. I couldn't have done this without them. I don't know where we'd be, obviously. Yeah, or Danny. I mean, well, no, I would have sent her in.
You would have been dead. Okay.
You'd probably be there.
You wouldn't be making this video right now.
All right, put it in port.
And open the back doors, please.
Listen to it running out. I was able to get it out of here. I was able to get it out. And basically what happened is I sucked up a bunch of water. But hey, we're out of the hole. Thank you, Danny, for jumping in there. Thank you for telling me not to do it. If you wouldn't have said no, look at her holding my air filter. Bless her heart. Bless her heart. All right, let's get the winch in and then you can drive it out so we can get in, because we winched it far enough. That way we knew I had enough battery to still try to start it, but you can see the water is still running out of the XJ here. Stupid decision on my behalf, but I had fun. Did you have fun?
We can get warm. I didn't know.
How about you, Kelly? Did you have fun?
Having a great time.
All right, well, that didn't go as planned, and I don't think I got any of it on film, which actually kind of makes me a little mad, but I got a picture. But look at the back of the XJ. It is just covered in water. I gotta bail it over to that side because there's a plug over there that I can drain it out of. This was not what I had in mind today when I said, hey guys, let's go four-wheeling. But I'm sending Steve for a reason. Let's get her cleaned out as best we can. Oh, GoPro underwater. Oh. Put them in the back. Today definitely didn't go as planned.
At least towards the end.
It was the water that I was worried about, and this is like, I hate fucking water in winter. I don't know, I was being a dick to you. Big time. All right, let me try to get the water over to that side and then, I don't know, something. Alrighty guys and girls, well, it is dark now. I'm probably gonna go ahead and just end the video here unless something crazy happens on the way home. But I ended up, obviously, as you've seen, winching myself out. Got it fired up with some brake clean, got it running, and thank goodness, because that would have been a terrible, terrible situation because everybody else was loaded up, air pressure up, nobody was answering their phones because cell service is fucking terrible. But I hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys in an upcoming video. Take care, guys. Have a great night. All right, as you can tell, we made it back home here. I ended up washing this thing. It's actually the next day also, so I got this thing pretty well dried out. But one of the issues that I'm having now is that, well, as you can tell, I'm letting it sit here and kind of defrost itself. But one of the issues I'm having is that's me hitting the brake. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Let me turn the lights off. But if you look right here and up there, when I let go, you can see the lights go on, go off, go on, go off, on, off, on, off. So I don't know what that is. I don't know why we're shorting out like that, but I guess it is what it is. I'm the goofball that went into the mud hole. This is you guys seeing me without a hat, which I never usually do, but I went into the mud hole by myself. It was kind of a silly decision. Obviously we were just up there to have fun. I didn't have the kids with me, so this was kind of like a adult trip. Everybody was out there having fun. And please, if you guys are gonna wheel and do things like that, please drink responsibly. I obviously did not drink because I was driving, but everybody else was in the truck drinking and having a good time, and that's what it was about, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in an upcoming video. Again, if you're gonna drink, please drink and drive responsibly. 1 or 2 beers max over the entire day isn't a bad thing. You'll be all right. So take care, guys. See you in the next one. I don't know which way those guys
Take a
went,
Larry. Take a Larry, please.
but those rocks are gnarly, and I'm not going that way. I'm gonna assume those guys went around that too.
What's on that tree? Somebody just like hang their fucking oil.
It's definitely an oil pan.
Your locker's not locking. Your locker wasn't locking. There you go.
Hey, your exhaust is touching your axle. Nobody cares about the exhaust. Yeah, that's what I figured.
Don't tip it. You got it. You got it. There you go. Oh, shit.